Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Saily eSIM in Europe. If you want to try Saily, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get the best available eSIM deal. It's the easiest way to set up your mobile data before traveling and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, go ahead and download Saily eSIM from your Play Store or App Store. Now, once you have it downloaded, well, just go ahead and log in with your account. Open it up. Log in. Now, once it's opened, you can just go ahead and tap on Add Data. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to Regional if you want to travel the whole region of Europe. But if you want to, you can go ahead and check the data right here, country by country. Okay, for example, France. You can just look for France right here. And again, Europe is available. So for example, Europe, you can choose to use the 1 gig for 7 days or 50 gig. Or even unlimited for 15 days or 30 days. All right. So just buy the data, continue. And then once that's done, when you go back to your home section, you'll be able to see Europe right here. So all you got to do is just click on install. If you can't see Europe, maybe you've registered to multiple countries. Well, you can just go ahead and click on this drop down. All right. So click on install eSIM on this device, follow simple prompt. And once that's done, once you arrive in Europe, you'll need to go ahead over to your settings and connections. Maybe just find the SIM manager or mobile data. All right. And make sure that Saily eSIM is enabled. Now go ahead over to mobile networks right here and make sure that Saily eSIM's data roaming is enabled as well. All right. Again, once you arrive in Europe, that's basically it. After that, just wait for the local network bars right here to appear and data to kick in automatically. Now that's how easy it is to use Saily eSIM in Europe. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.